outsiders. When the farmer remains backward, then outsiders will dominate. That's where exploitation takes place. So the answer to this question is, make the farmer aware, make the farmer support, make, enlightened. They are very smart. One season they succeed, then they will never come back. Only what is needed is, we need a true leader who is less of vested interest, who is, taking care of the good interest of the farmers. But I believe that, that's the only way you can make our farmer prosper. Otherwise, somebody will come and say that, you give land, all the land to multinational, they will take you as a labor. That's also possible. But, this is how, where we stand is a question. It's a kind of, if we improve our capacity, then, outsiders only deal with, dignity. If we don't have capacity, they exploit. That's my experience.
Sir, that is correct. But the kind of the documents or the policy which we are learning is that the government or everybody is thinking that farmers should do everything from farm to fork. And when I was child, we used to take our wheat and get it grinded outside as a service. So why, other than the production, the rest of the activities related to value addition, post-harvest, packaging, traceability, or export, what kind of the model? Why it cannot be a service providing kind of arrangement?
I think
like a village chakki, like a village carbon chakki.
आज तो हम उसमें debate कर नहीं सकते. It's a matter of possibility. So we need to have some other forum to do this, because this is never ending. But what मेरा ख्याल है कि it is possible. We can handle the way we can handle.
Other questions I have. RK Singh, I think. Please unmute yourself then ask.
Yeah. Thank you very much. सर मौका देने के लिए. मैं सर से ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि सर प्रोटेक्टेड कल्टीवेशन में ईल्ड तो बहुत बढ़ता है, 3 गुना 4 गुना, क्वालिटी भी अच्छी होती है, फिर भी एडॉप्शन रेट में इतना स्लो क्यों है सर, या झिझक क्यों है फार्मर्स के बीच में?
सर रेट क्या? You are asking about the price?
No sir. Why adoption rate of the protected cultivation is very, very less in spite of 3 to 4 times increase in yield?
There can be 100 reasons, sir. Probably every place you need to study micro level and see what is the real issue. वो issue को हमें क्या है? We should be on the ground and find the solution. जैसे हमारे घर में जब पानी निकल जाता है, तो हमें जाके उधर ढूंढना पड़ता है, इसका रीजन क्या है, वही सही रीजन करना पड़ता है. It's not a miracle. Because I have seen one thing in our organization. We have worked in Bihar, we have worked in Orissa. Wherever you have organized them, wherever you have a hand holding आपने किया ना, तो you have no question. I have seen in very poor backward regions of Orissa, people are becoming so smart in 3 months' time. What is important, sir, today is there is no organization of their own. You need a trusted organization of farmers, maybe an NGO or somebody should give them backup and give them true organizational support. आज ये डेयरी हस्बेंड्री में देखिए, आज जो दूध प्रोडक्शन करता है इतना गरीब आदमी है, क्यों कर रहा है? Because the system is functioning. वो सिस्टम हमें पक्का करना, ऐसा मेरा अनुभव है.
Yes. I think anybody is there. Dr. PL Sirus is also here. Yeah.
Behra ji, do you agree with what I said? Definitely. That we go with not only the hardcore technology but also the peripheral things to the farmer.
Yeah.
क्योंकि पहले वो उसको एकदम हार्डकोर डालेंगे तो he is not able to take it. You build an atmosphere, create an ambience, then you put the right kind of technology, because our projects are all time bound. हमें 2 साल में रिजल्ट करना होता है, वो उसको 2 साल में उसको जागने में ही 2 साल लग जाता है.
No, that is very rightly pointed out also, sir. कि जो भी चीज हम बनाते हैं वो करते हैं, स्मॉल टेक्नोलॉजी फर्स्ट रेट में उसको एक्सटेंशन ओरिएंटेड में जाता है. इफ द टेक्नोलॉजी इज वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स, फार्मर्स इतना जल्दी लेते नहीं, तो वो हम अपने हिसाब से उस टेक्नोलॉजी को बनाएं जो कि फार्मर्स उसको अडॉप्ट करें. सो दैट व्हाट डॉक्टर आरके सिंह आल्सो आस्किंग, इफ यू गो फॉर द हाई प्रोडक्शन टेक्नोलॉजी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द, जब बड़ा सा ग्रीन हाउस स्ट्रक्चर बनाइए, प्रोटेक्टेड स्ट्रक्चर बनाइए, तो फार्मर्स नहीं कर पाएगा क्योंकि उसके पास इतना संबल है ही नहीं. ही कैन नॉट हैव दिस टाइप ऑफ मनी. So जो डॉक्टर हेगड़े साहब बताए कि स्मॉल इंटरवेंशन कैन गिव ए बिग वन फॉर देम, सो उसको उसी हिसाब से आपको मोटिवेट करना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक दैट विल बी वंडरफुल.
और डॉक्टर साहब मेरा एक मैसेज है, ICAR साइंटिस्ट, यू आर अ गोल्ड माइन. उनको आप किसी अच्छे एनजीओ और किसान के साथ में जोड़िए. बिकॉज आई हैव बीन इन द DBT का वो सोसाइटी प्रोग्राम में आई एम चेयरमैन. जब हम यूनिवर्सिटी को प्रोजेक्ट देते हैं, पोर वाला क्या होता है कि प्रोफेसर असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर रहता है, ही इज प्लानिंग टू गो टू द विलेज. उस दिन उनको डायरेक्टर को कॉल आ जाते हैं, मीटिंग में आ जाओ. वो पूरा प्रोग्राम उधर खत्म हो जाता है, कुछ नहीं होता. तो इसीलिए ये आपको ग्राउंड लेवल पे यू नीड टू क्रिएट सम बेस, एंड व्हेन देन साइंटिस्ट कैन वर्क ऑन टेलीफोन आल्सो. तो वो हमारे लिए कमी दिखता है. थैंक यू.
जरूर सर, थैंक यू. So anything, I think Dr. Sudhakar.
Any other person want to ask something?
Dr. Soros sir is also here. I think if you have any type of, because he's also working in the Rajasthan. Dr. Kalu sir is also here.
Hello. Any more questions from
Okay.
any?
Yeah, it's not there. Okay, Sudhakar, you can.
Okay. So now we have finished our first talk, and at last I am requesting to Dr. Neeraj Singh. He is a principal scientist in our extension division, social scientist, for formal vote of thanks. Dr. Neeraj Singh. Dr. Neeraj Singh, please unmute yourself. Neeraj, please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Sudhakar. Most respected guest of today's webinar, our first lecture by this ICAR Indian Institute of Vegetable Research on the Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav that we are celebrating for the 75th this year of independence of our country. On this occasion, this is the first lecture organized by ICAR IIVR, and on this occasion, thanks to our guest, Dr. Narayan G. Hegde sir, for accepting our request and delivering a nice lecture, an informative lecture on this occasion. Really what sir has said during his lecture requires a lot of discussion, and well, time is another constant. I too was interested for just making some discussion in this point, but considering the time, anyway, later on sometimes I will discuss the matter with the sir also.
कभी सेमिनार कीजिए ना डॉक्टर साहब, कभी सेमिनार कीजिए. एक बार आएंगे वाराणसी में.
Yeah.
दो दिन का सेमिनार में I will be very happy to come and share my thoughts wherever possible.
Certainly, sir, we will wait for you for that period. And after that, so sir, on this occasion, and accepting our request and delivering this informative lectures, we are on behalf of our institute, we are very thankful to you, sir. We are also thankful to our founder director, Professor Gautam Kalu sir, and Dr. P.L. Saroj sir, for joining this webinar and encouraging us for continuing organizing such events, such webinars in future also. Thank you, sir. To you also, sir. I also thanks to the participants from the different organizations to this webinar, and they not only encourage us but also motivate us for organizing such events in future also. So we are thankful to them also. We are thankful to our director, Dr. P.K. Behra sir, who after joining this institute, continuously is motivating each and everyone for organizing one or the other events or continuing the different activities for the betterment of the institute. And certainly, sir, under your leadership, this IIVR will touch a new height, no doubt in that. We are thankful to you, sir, for encouraging and motivating us for organizing this event on this occasion of 75th Independence year of our country. I'm also thankful to Dr. Sudhakar Pandey and his team for arranging this webinar in a very short period of time. And it's really a very great effort done by the team. So I thanks to them also. At last, but not the least, I thanks to one and all who directly or indirectly help us in organizing this program and join these events for making it a grand success. I thank one and all again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Daksa, very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Kallu sir and Dr.
Saroj sir आ गए हैं.
and Dr. Arpit Singh sir.
Thank you, sir.
Many of these are the department, Dr. Singh sir, Dr. PM Singh, Dr. K. Pandey, also Dr. Kumar, I think V. Kumar. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you sir.
Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you Hegde sir आपको.
Sir.
No, both very
Thank you,
Kallu
sir. Thank you very much.
I hope it was useful.
Some
Thank you.
webinar, seminar will go. We'll see, sir, that it will be here in physical.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir, Dr. Hegde, sir. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daksa.
Thank you.
Please close the meeting. Yeah. Hello.